kanalera, bueno, behintzat heldu gara sonalde honetan Red Dead Redemption Online honetan pertsonaia sortzeko eta abar, lehen izan dugu bug bat, eta bueno, badirudi orain ondo doala, baina bueno, saiatuko gara kakarik esartzen, bueno, sortuko dugu pertsonaia, aukeratuko dugu mutila dena. Terrain, suposatzen dut, sei itxura kaskarra daukagun. Yes. Izena. Las to txapel. Bentsat bezuzuneko egun batean, bueno, bi bideo ezberdin. Txapel.
From what I hear, you ain't leaving us anytime soon. We're gonna need a fair record of you.
Oita mabi.
Tell me everything except that you're innocent. I'd find that hard to believe.
Orgia.
Quite a record we'll have on you.
Or.
You're lucky you were caught, you know. The way the town feels about what happened, you were likely to be shot.
Normala.
It's a process, all right, but a necessary one.
A ver.
How you doing with that? Okay then.
A ver.
Yep.
Ezin dugu bizarra motzagoa izan. Perfecto. Or. Vale.
Okay, let's get a photograph.
Argazki bat.
Place your palms by your chest now for me.
Me esto chape. A ver. Esto txapel. Oso ongi. Vale, instrukzioa, noski. Behintzat, jakin beharreko gauza horiek ikastea komenigarria dela esan dezaket. Zenea zenbat denbora behar duen kargatzeko eta guzti hori. Hilabete batzuk geroago, Sisika espetxean, gizonen zonaldean. Vale. Orduan asko txiko gaituzte.
Officer Benton, kitchen's East staff. Officer Townsend, those rocks ain't gonna break themselves. What are you standing there for? Get moving. What are you looking at? Go on, get moving. You with the hammer? And you'll do. We need to perform a work detail out near Tumbleweed. Come on, get in. Open the gate.
Le laburra eta bizarra nahiko ondo.
Yeah. I tell you what, old Jameson is a wretched, sour old bastard, and no mistake. You lot stay calm in there. You aren't saying nothing. Well, you are now. Shut up. You know, my wife has acquired ideas significantly above her station. She's been reading too many goddamn books. Personally, I'm against education. Women, I mean. And men, I guess. Unnecessary. Doesn't add much to the world. Education. Good day, gentlemen. Oh. Don't do anything stupid. Nobody gets shot. Act like fools, and the pair of you will be dead within a minute. Now, what are your names? Jenkins and Milliken. Well, Mr. Jenkins and Mr. Milliken, throw your guns to the ground and get on down here. That's it. Very glad to meet you. It's not worth being rash. You boys get paid a salary. You get that salary whether these people escape or not. Your wives presumably want you alive. Let them out. Now, please. Okay. Okay. You all run away. Aside from you. Try to stay out of trouble. This is a stroke of good fortune for all of you. Use it. Now, Mr. Jenkins and Mr. Milliken, be so kind as to quickly run away before somebody gets shot entirely unnecessarily. Go on, don't look back. Mr. Wynn, I believe it was $50 we agreed on. It was. Here's 50 each. Each? Yes. Now get out of here, both of you. My employer and I appreciate your professionalism. All we did was stand there and look tough. And you did it fantastically well. Good day, gentlemen. Now, sir, how about you pick up these guns and we move out? My mistress is waiting for us.
Bueno.
Come along. And you better
Jarraituko
not
dugu.
miss That's not much of an animal, but they haven't got far to run.
Hemen joan beharko gara.
I waited on them moving you some
Agora.
weeks. I can wait a while longer. I'm sorry, but I'm going to need you to come with me. Ready? Wonderful. I hope you'll forgive the secrecy. My employer particularly values discretion. My name is Mr. Horley, by the way. 6 months at Sisika Penitentiary. Awaiting a hanging for a murder you did not commit must have felt a whole lot longer, my friend. You still seem strong, though. I mean, doesn't look like breaking all those rocks has left you entirely broken, in body or in spirit. I hope I am right about that. Rounding you folks up, and those sham trials, they were a disgrace. Made a mockery of the rule of law. Still can't quite believe they got away with it.
Bueno, la no era la nada.
When you were, came out breathing fire. Maybe you're like that too. Guess we'll see. Or maybe you just want to put it all behind you, forget you were in there at all. That would be fine, of course, but you will listen to my mistress first. She spent a good sum getting you folks out. You owe her an audience, at least. You just up here.
Horretan ados
There's
nago.
the camp. Hit your horse. Been a while since you saw a hitching post, huh?
Orain bera.
This way. She's anxious to meet you. Madam, we're back.
Hello. Jessica Leclerc, how do you do? What did you tell him?
Nothing, as we discussed.
Thank you, Hawley. I
No,
do
that's
hope
an
I
idea
haven't
in my comune,
inconvenienced you dreadfully. But seeing as you were due to be hanged in a week, I'm sure you don't object too strongly. I know you're innocent. Well, not perhaps exactly innocent, but not guilty of what you were accused. I know you and those who were with you that died were little more than patsies, and that you were set up by one of 3 men or a woman, possibly by all of them. I can't be sure, but that is all I know so far.
And one of these people also made Mrs. Leclerc a widow.
And I will avenge my husband's death, so help me God. But I will not avenge it upon them who did not cause it, or caused it unwittingly. Anyway, I'm sure this is all a touch confusing and melodramatic. Where are my manners? Hawley, please show our guests to their tent and give them some fresh clothes to put on.
Very good.
Bai,
And
hori
send
ondo
us
ongo
both a little
litzateke.
refreshment.
Certainly, madam. This way. You'll find a change of clothes in there, alongside a few other items you might need, a lasso, a knife, and a lantern, I believe.
Vale. Bai.
That looks more comfortable. Hawley,
Here, madam.
you're very good health. I suppose it beats dying,
Mrs. Leclerc's husband was murdered by one of his business partners.
And I intend to find out which one. Or rather, I intend for you to find out. And kill them. You're the only person I could possibly trust to do whatever it takes. Because you and your accomplices, you're the only
Dirá
other
por baten
victims of their
truke.
lives still alive. You see, you walked into the town at approximately the same time my husband was shot in the back, but by another gun, firing different bullets to those you possessed when you were arrested. These bullets, this was their mistake. You were rounded up and sentenced to death, all because you came to town and didn't talk too much and seemed like you were nasty. Anyway, here they are, the people who run Blackwater. Mr. Jeremiah Shaw, banker, real estate speculator, and crook. Mr. Amos Lansing, ranch owner, speculator, and crook. Mrs. Grace Lansing, his wife, society patroness, lover of the arts, crook, and my former best friend. Teddy Brown, her disgraced brother, outlaw, wanted man, and still in contact with them. All I ask of you is your help in finding out quite what happened.
Mrs. Leclerc would like to help you get back on your feet. Get back to work.
Whatever your work may be, I don't judge. You want to rob? Rob. You want to save innocent folk? Do that as well. But you need me just as much as I need you.
Ados nago.
I think we all understand each other.
I hope we do.
Good. I look forward to rewarding you for killing those who made me a widow. My husband was a true believer in this country and in the West. He was killed for greed. Foul greed when there's quite enough for everybody. I don't care what your scruples are as to killing. I will take the full burden of that sin upon my shoulders. Goodbye, for now. Then Horley, go introduce him to nice Mr. Cripps.
I think you'll like Cripps well enough. He's long
Bueno,
past
ahora
his
ikuste
prime,
queda
of
go.
course, but he hasn't gone entirely crazy just yet. And he will help you, better than most of his ilk. Cripps, get up.
Hello, partner. Horley.
This is your new boss.
Oh, pleased to meet you, partner. J.B. Cripps at your service.
We'll pay to get your camp established. Mrs. Leclerc is a generous benefactor.
And, where are we headed?
A ver. Campamento bat izango dugu. Dago txarto.
Oh, sir. While Cripps is establishing your camp, perhaps you can go to the station and see the clerk. Then head to see Clay Davies. He's a horse thief and not a terribly nice one. Then meet Cripps back at your camp.
See you shortly, boss.
Vale.
Good luck.
Guazen aventura astera. Así se os esalgoan,
I'm sure you're tired. Get this done and you can rest.
Hala, guazen lastatxo berlien aventura gaztera doaz. Agian beste saldi bat beharko dut laizte. Bueno, zerra denez oso eskar ere ez zegu komeni joatea. Gero suposatzen dut erropa berri erosi ahal izango dugula. Vale, guazen. Presarik ez daukagu gainera. Hau izango da konpentsazio zuzenekoa. Behintzat bestearen denbora berdina gutxien ez egongo gara zuzenean. Eta bar. Trenbide hor zubi bat, agian zubiaren bestaldean egongo da. Esaten den moduan eta os astiaren filmen moduan jarraitu bide horia. Eta hor putre bat. Pur bat kaina emango diogu. Gaina lekuak lekutan daude. Espero dut ezusteko handirik esartzea bidean zehar. Hemen baso mortuaren erdian gaude. Bale, hau izango da tren geltokia dirudienez. Hor barruan egon beharko da. LT. Aixo.
Hello. You must be Harley's friend. He's one of us. He said you also were a discouraged man. I'm very discouraged. Disappointed Alden, that's me. Anyway, it's a pleasure to make your acquaintance. I find your reticence charming. Real charming. By the way, I heard you might want to earn a little money. Well, some gentlemen have been robbing our stages, and they are not part of the club, if you catch my meaning. If you can make them go away, I'm sure they will have something of interest to you. They're up near Gap Tooth Ridge. See what you can do, okay? Here, by the way, a catalog. The latest issue. Just came into this armpit from a land more civilized. And if all works out, well, my colleagues and I move around these stations as needed. And all of us are very discouraged. We will all help a fellow sufferer with pertinent information. Good afternoon, sir.
Vale. Rio Bravo eta John Wayne non dago. Vale. Guazen gora. Ez dakidan gauzaia den aukera daukagun etxetxo bat erosteko. A ver, mapa. Guazen bera. Uste dut hor, kea ikusi dudala. Zenbat dira? Lehen da bizi, lapurtzera. Diru ez dago txarto.
Okay. Okay. You're good. You're real good, friend. So, here. Take this. Matt. Just be kind. Don't kill me, please.
A ber, zer gehiago egon behar da hemendik. Zurra. Ah, bale, hor dago. Goazen gure esaldiaren bila utzi dugula. Hora espien ez usten harrapatzeko. Nola zen hemen? Mimo apur bat jaso ditzan uste dut egokia dela. Lehen da bizi guazen bera. Ea zer topatzen dugun altxor horretan. Baina tren bat. Baina gaur berdin zaigu tren hortik pasatzen. Gure helburua beste bat da. Goazen. Ez que zenbat eta gehiago jokatu, eta gehiago gustatzen zait jokoa, osea, pasada bat da. Gauza da ez dakidela non dagoen nire kanpalekua. Hora zer topatzen dugun hor. Zero. Gehiago ez dago ez. Badirudi ezetz. Vale. Hori. Ez dago txarto. Hori da, goazen gure kanpalekura. Hori agian beranduago. Bueno, misioak dira. Baina egin aurretik partida gordetzea komeni garri izango litzateke. Eta agian urte ditugu perla horiek saltzea ere onuragarri izango litzateke dirua lortzeko. Gero etxe bat dago. Eta hemen herri bat. Hala, guazen. Vale, guazen.
That was that.
Bueno. Ea norbait topatzen dugun. Orain nator. Izango lehenengo biziko misioa. Espero dut jende berria egongo dela. Vale. Zen izango da gure helburua. Vale. Pantalla beltz jate zaigu orain, vale, kargatzen dabil. Justo nire kamaren azpian agertzen da hori. Listo.
I win again. Did Horley send you, Pop? I'm Clay Davies. This is my brother, Clyde. He don't talk. Maybe you two will get along better. Maybe not. Listen, I heard you wanted to earn some money. So, there's a gang of ne'er-do-wells. They are a bunch of degenerates, not good people. They're out at Raskeller Fork with a bunch of horses they stole from me. Well, that's a lie, but they stole them off the fella I was gonna steal them off of. Maybe you could get them for me. You think you could do that for me, Pop? Looks like you're doing this on your own. Well, good. Meet me at the stable at Tumbleweed once you have the horseflesh, and I'll pay you good. Oh, and Pop, Horley wanted me to remind you, any decent work you can find, take it. But just try to stay out of trouble. Oh, and once you give me those horses, well, after that, we'll talk again. Oh, I do so enjoy these conversations. I'm used to them on account of my brother. Let's go, Clive.
Vale, baina egin aurretik uste gordeko dudala. Bada espada. Mapa. Armadillo. San Denis Roder. Bueno, berdin da. Horreko dugu aldugunean edo jokoa gordetzen duenean. Bi bizitza dauzkago, bale. Ba, saiatuko gara lehenen da bizikoan egitea. Zer topatzen dugun hortik. Ozen gora tipitapa, tipitapa.
What do you think you're doing here? I'm warning you.
Vale, horrek gaituzte ikusten. Hori ez. Orain korrika kanpora goaz. Tipioz hor ez gaituzte ikusi behar. Guazen. Guazen.
Well, well, well. Horley was right about you. Dead right. Ain't that dandy? Get that horse hidden away, Clive, and ready to move out as soon as we can. All right. Here's some money you earned. Now listen, Horley came by and gave me a message. He said to go see your friend Cripps up at your camp. Now listen to me for a second. Any other decent horses you find, we'll buy 'em. Just as soon as we are set up, okay? Nice meeting you. You know what? Hold on, boy. I call him boy because I'm older. 30 minutes, he went black. Let's give our friend here back the horse. It's yours. A sign of faith and future business.
Ni idea nada.
If you want to buy any
Ados
extras or
gaude.
sundries for the animal, head inside. They've got a lot available. See you soon. Come on, Clive.
Vale. Lehen da biziko esaldia lortu dugu. Orain. Zer gertatzen den. Kargatzen dago berriro. Itzal. Laster. Intimista. Pasen agurearen gana. Vale.
How do you get on with Clay Davies? Horrible little wretch, in my opinion. Pop this and pop that. I'd like to pop him, slime bucket. Anyway, I've got everything set up. Well, what we have so far, place is pretty nice. I think you did a good job for you. I'll earn my keep. When you get too old to fight, what choice have you got? It's either work or beg. I'd rather work. Oh, I saw Horley. Now, he wants you to come down and meet him in Blackwater when you get a chance. I think he might have some work for you. Oh, and while you're out on your travels, you may see some folk with employment opportunities. Good folk, bad folk, looking for a tough guy with a gun to help them. Up to you if you listen to them, I guess. You know, I used to like that kind of stuff. One time, I almost helped a clown steal an elephant. But that's a very silly story. Welcome home. Make yourself at home. It is your home.
Vale. Red Dead Online. No, vale, etxak eus daitezke da bat. Conforme.
You know, I'm getting quite used to having you around.
behintzat hemen gordetzeko. Zer da hau? Guazen esploratzera.
Did I ever tell you about that bank job in Tennessee? It was me, Limpy Pete, and Phil the Pratt. Managed to get ourselves locked in the safe after a weekend of nature calling. The stench in there knocked the clerk on his back when he opened the door, and we managed to escape. Neither Pete nor Phil was really cut out for running, though. They got picked up at the end of town and hanged the next day, which seemed harsh.
A ver, mapa. Zer daukagu hemendik? Horra. Ja, bueno, oraingoz ez joango gara pertsen horren misio egitera. Rodesera ere joango gara. A ver. Hor hautsa azten duzure aurpegia eta dena. Ea pertsona horrek zer nahi duen guretzat.
Hello. Hey, careful.
A ver,
If it's a postal matter, speak to the other clerk. Ah, Alden told me all about you. A fellow man in need of encouragement. Hector Barlow. You'll find me between here and a few other spots on the line. Rest assured, I will give help to any brother of mine in need of it. Now let's see what work I got. You looking to earn some ready money? Here's what we got. Some wagons going into Tumbleweed. Looking for someone to ride with them and offer protection. You can sit up there on the jockey box and look mean, can't you? I know you can. Now come on.
vale. Zaindari moduan ebiliko gara orain. Saiatuko gara hau egite. Eta egiten berori behar dugu goazen lekura heltzeko edo guri erasotu behar izateko.
I don't like staying still too long. Makes me nervous.
Vale. Eske hor segada bat egiteko lekua proposa izan daitek. Vale. Hiri bat, herri bat, gero hori erakatu beharko dugu.
Thank you.
Bueno, egin da. Itzuli gaitezen gure kanpalekura. Mapa. Eta kanpalekura heltzen garenean, saiatuko naiz gordetzen.
How do you do?
A ver. Goazen aurrera. Mofeta bat. Goazen aurrera. Aurrera. Zer egin genezake orain. Eske pertsonak ere lekutan daude. Perista... Conquista... Rhodes non dago. Ba, Rhodesera joango gara. Ez dakidana da nola gordetzen den. Baina, bueno, bitartan guazen paisaiaz disfrutatzen. Hala, guazen. Bueno, ez dakit hau den modu libre edo ez, edo zerin barden gauza bakoitzan. Ero hau da jokalaretik gabe horrela esperientzia lortzen zoaz pizkanaka. Ez dakit. Ari ez tari izango naizela ez dut nahiko argi dagoela. Baldin eta jokoa kraseatu egiten ez banau, ba primera joango gara. Guazen. Hori da Rhodes. Nik esango nuke ezetz. Edo agian bai. Bale, urdiak urdinak dira. Urdiak diligentziak eta abar. Eta gorriak dira online dauden pertsonak. Armadillo. Armadillo gurutzatu beharko dugu Rodesera jateko, vale. Nola guazen.
You're too close. Keep away, please.
Zenbat denbora barko dugun Rodesera jateko, ba ez dakit. Bide luzeak saria iztaria izateko.
Please, keep your distance. I got the curse.
Ze maldizio izango duzu zu. Bueno, egia esan da berdin zait. Gau heldu da. Otsoak urrun egon daitezela. Guazen. Begira, pertsona bat. Guazen ezagutzera. A ver. A ver. Hala, guazen. Ea laizzer heltzen garen. Espero dut, hemen partia gordetzea modu automatiko batean edo. A ver, mapan. Bai. Nahiko txopata zego oraindik. Bergara oso urrun. Gaua basoan. Kontu zibili gara. Entzuten dira gilkerrak urrunean. Oreinak. Haupani. Manzanita post. Hala, guazen. Lehen da iziko aldiz hilein gara, ja. Edo dagoeneko. Ea argitzen duen behingoagatik. A ver, non gaude. Uf. Zergaiti. Bueno, a ver, o sea... Vale. Hemen saldi gabe nago, ez? Hau pani. Bueno, ba, saldia galdut. Hau pani. Gorde esake edo ze hostia. Mente lortu barko nuke saldi bat edo ze zer. Pues que paquetazo bat naiz. A ver, kargatu. Kapela gatu nahi zaupani.
You want me to put a bullet?
Zer baino gehiago behintzat da. $10 bakarrik. Bentsat horrela eskarrago bentsat helduko naiz. Seri bat. Iri heltzen garenean moztuko zuzenekoa. Dagoeneko askotan hil bain naiz. Galdu dugu zaldi bat. Gaituzte pila bat aldiz. Oso ondo hasi da aventura. Esperientzia gehiago, bueno. Esperientzia lortzea beti onuragarria da. Heltzen garen Rodesera behingoagatik. Venga, ánimo. Goazen aurrera. Aurrera. Hau ja ezaguna egiten zait. Ora. Ora. Hemen sartzen gara Rodesen.
Hi there.
Eta hau nola egiten da.
I gotta be more careful.
thought you said they'd be here.
That's what I thought.
Is this them?
Nope. Oh, there they are in the wagon. That's her.
Whoa there. You all looking for the Twin Rocks gang?
Isn't everybody?
I got them for you. In the back. Go ahead. Count them up. They're all there.
God damn. 1, 2, 2.5.
Let me get you your money. That's something. Bringing all them boys in, you know.
Bounty hunting ain't so hard. Any fool can do it.
I ain't so sure.
How about you there? You fool enough to try? Become a bounty hunter? There's a board up at most every jailhouse and post office. The sheet's going up regular. All you need is a license, which the sheriff will sell you. You can take down a poster and go. Alive, get your full price. Dead, a little less. You go after one of the big ones, I'll tell you what I know about it, as a favor. The worst that can happen is they kill you.
There's only 9. I counted them twice.
There was 10 when I pulled up. I know you're hiding out there. You got 10 seconds to turn yourself in. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
No.
2,
No, please.
1.
Please, no.
There's your 10.
Clean it up, Archibald.
If it ain't all here, I will be back.
I'm sure you will.
That one there might want a bounty hunting license. Help him out, won't you?
That true? You want a license?
Bai.
Out of money, huh? Well, if you don't have it now, you can come and get a license when you do. They sell them wherever they hang them posters. Good luck now.
Zer gertatu da orain. A ver. Hemen, nola gordetzen da hemen?
Hello.
Lagunak, hemen utziko dugu, espero dut gustoko esan zaizuela, eta hurrengoan gehiago,